A solitary figure stands upon a snowy mountain peak, cloaked in grey, holding a lantern lit by a six-pointed star. In his other hand rests a staff that supports his careful steps. The hermit is the seeker of inner truth, withdrawal used not as escape but as devotion, solitude chosen for wisdom, clarity, and spiritual refinement. The hermit himself is the central symbol. His grey cloak represents neutrality, humility, and detachment from worldly distraction. He stands neither in light nor shadow, but in contemplative balance. His bowed head and inward gaze show a soul turned towards its own depths. He is not lonely, he is deliberate. His solitude is a sanctuary where insight forms without noise or interference. The lantern he holds high is the first supporting symbol. Within it shines the seal of Solomon, unity of the above and below, wisdom harmonizing opposites, the light of higher consciousness. The hermit carries the light not for display, but to illuminate his next step. The lantern teaches that truth often reveals itself only incrementally. Enlightenment is a path, not a sudden blaze. The second supporting symbol is the staff in his left hand. It signifies authority through experience, stability arising from spiritual discipline, and the groundedness required to navigate inner terrain. The staff links him to the magician's wand and the chariot's wheel. But here the power is softened into guidance. He moves slowly because he moves consciously. The third symbol is the mountain beneath his feet. It represents achievement born of effort, the heights reached through introspection, and the solitude that accompanies true mastery. Unlike the mountains of earlier cards, which challenge from afar, these mountains have been climbed. The hermit stands where few venture, on the summit of inner understanding. The fourth supporting symbol is the snow, purity, silence, and the stripping away of all that is unnecessary. Snow softens sound and slows motion. Similarly, introspection quietens the ego and clears space for the soul's voice. The cold landscape reflects the clarity and austerity of contemplation. The fifth symbol is the darkness surrounding him. It is not threatening, it is potential, the vast unknown into which he shines his lantern. Darkness represents mystery, the unexamined self, and the world awaiting illumination. The hermit teaches that wisdom comes not from avoiding the dark, but from entering it with a light of one's own. Together, these symbols portray the hermit as the archetype of the inner guide, the one who seeks truth beyond noise, who chooses depth over distraction, and who returns with insights that illuminates the path for others. In readings, the hermit signifies introspection, soul-searching, spiritual study, withdrawal for clarity, mentorship, or the need for solitude. Its counsel: step back, listen inwardly, trust the quiet voice beneath the noise. Its shadow warns against isolation without purpose or retreat driven by fear. The hermit teaches that the light we seek is the light we carry, and that wisdom unfolds one illuminated step at a time.